Welcome back to another video, guys. As you saw by the title, this is the Rough Country lift. It is the 7-inch version for the stamped steel 2017 Silverado. Today is going to be an unboxing. I'll show you the quality, I'll show you the parts, and so far it looks pretty awesome. Alrighty, so before we get started on this video, I do want to say it is a controversial lift. Some people love it, some people hate it. I'm going to stick it on and hope I love it. It is a 7-inch lift, not the 7.5 that previous year model trucks had. The 7.5 supposedly had the issues with the angles on those CV axles. So this is supposed to alleviate it, but we're going to go over the unboxing. This is going to be a 2-3 video kind of series of doing this install in the garage. So make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, get those notifications, and we'll get started. Alrighty guys, so before we get started, I will put a little screenshot picture up here of the tools needed. Be careful if you do not want to mess with the struts, because this kit used to not come with a pre-charge spacer, which basically you have to disassemble the strut and put it in, which requires you have the strut compressor. I did call Rough Country and they said I do not have to use it, but I will lose 1 inch of lift if I don't. But I'm going to try it. I'm going to get it installed the right way so we have the full lift front and rear. I am to be running 35s. Say you need a strut compressor, but they don't say that these pre-charge spacers are required. At least I missed it completely. It is what it is. We're going to try it out. I'll show you how easy it is or how hard it is, and then hopefully that helps you make the decision. It looks heavy duty. It's packed really, really well, which I'm really surprised, and we'll talk about each part. Okay, so the first box is going to be our new knuckles. So here are the knuckles. Very heavy. There's left side, right side in the box. Okay, second thing we have are the top strut spacers. To me, they look really good. They do not have any kind of laser cut inside of them. I think some of the older ones had like a RC, RFC or something laser cut into them, but these don't. So those are the top. You have 2 of those. Your rear blocks, block spacers, whatever you want to call them. These are the anti-wrap, which I love. Underneath these are your new U-brackets to go around that new back rear block. Inside of the box here, we have all the nuts, bolts, and hardware. And I believe these are the pre-charge spacers. So these are what we have to put in between that shock to disassemble it on the front. Now this box is one of my favorite boxes. I already pulled out of the bottom one of the new rear shocks that you get. So this is a Rough Country premium shock absorber for the rear. Looks nice, you know. Once again, some people have issues with them, some don't. So we will see how this turns out. The rest in the box are all the different pieces. I love how they took the time, they used this styrofoam to lay all the pieces out instead of just wrapping it in bags and throwing it together. So we have tons and tons of drop brackets in here. You have your new skid plate for the diff and a lot of other pieces. So this is that center differential bracket that we're going to put on, so that's neat. Okay, last but not least are the new front and rear cross members. They are very heavy duty. I don't think they slacked on the quality whatsoever. That's the rear cross member, and then the only thing with the Rough Country logo is the front, which as you can see has the RC cut inside of it. So you have the front member, the back cross member, and there you have it. Those are all 4. Alrighty, so a couple other things that I forgot to show you. The first one is going to be the CV axle spacer. So those wheels do get pushed out a little bit, and this is the spacer that goes in between. The spaghetti, I think someone from Custom Offsets called this the spaghetti sway bar link. I've never seen one like it, but they said they had no issues with them whatsoever. So that's going to be the new sway bar in link. So these lift kits, all the bags are labeled. There we go. So all the bags are labeled with a number, and some of the other ones actually say what size bolt it is. A lot of things that I've bought in the past do not have labels on anything, which makes you have to measure all the bolts, and it's just a big, huge pain. So what Rough Country does is, one, they label every bag with a code, and then in the instruction manual, it will show you what comes in each bag so you know what's in each one. You don't have to measure them all. There's a ton of bolts with this kit, so this just makes it one step easier. So there you have it, guys. The 4 boxes, what's included in the Rough Country 7-inch stamped steel lift kit. We will be doing a 2-day install. I'm going to be doing Wednesday and a Thursday, and then at the end of Thursday, we're going to take it to get aligned. We're going to take it to get the 35-inch tires on it. We will be doing videos on after the install, during the install of any issues. We'll be doing mileage updates. So leave in the comments below, do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you have the kit? Do you have the old 7.5 version? Let me know. I'd like to read it, and hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Like, subscribe, stay tuned, and we will see you on the next one.